energy pa rin dito, di ba? Ayan, game, go. Ano
Gian, go.
masasabi mo?
Yun
Gian?
ako, kasi meron akong gusto i-plug yung Rent the Musical. It's our last run
Yun
at the
eh.
RCBC, brought to you by Nineworks Theatrical. Kasama ko dito si Cherie for the first time.
Yee!
Mag-partner kami. Yan yung Valentine's
How
show
does it feel
namin.
to be working with
Nako,
her?
very exciting kasi nagpo-pole dancing siya sa show. Yan.
Yeah.
Oh.
Sinasabi ko.
Alternating with Shara Soto. Yan. So, it's all weekends, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, hanggang March 6. Mamayang gabi may show kami, RCBC Theater. For tickets, log on www.nineworkstheatrical.com or call Ticketworld 891-9999. Thank you, Vans Philippines.
Yes.
At si
Ayan.
Jonalyn naman.
Yes. So Wednesday po, February 16, may show po ako sa Baga Verde, Roas Boulevard entitled Jonalyn Uncovered kasi I'll be singing songs na mga classic, timeless love songs talaga. So, inibitahan ko po kayo pumunta. Oo. February 16 again sa Baga Verde, Roas Boulevard, 9 p.m. Please visit my fan page. It's Jonalyn Viray para po sa mga details. Ayan.
Manood po kayo. At ako'y may pole dancing. Hindi, joke. Elizabeth Ramsey, yung aking nanay, at ako po, may show kami sa Dubai, February 17 and 18, Comedy Junction Bar. Magkita-kita po tayo. Thank you, Dr. Vicky Bello. Optical Works. Alam mo, fresh look contact lenses through J. Venus Optical. Maraming pong salamat.
Correct. Eto
Ano?
na.
Gusto mong...
Yes,
Magsabay tayo.
congratulations nga pala sa My Valentine's Girl. Yan, nako, ito na.
Congrats.
Ikaw dapat magsabi muna nito eh.
Dahil mo, ito na nga po. Jonalyn,
Yes.
the most awaited moment. Sino nga ba ang tumanggap ng wedding proposal? Ang tumaas ang boses ko.
Eto na, alam ko na naririnig na natin ito sa mga bulong-bulungan dyan.
Sa barangay.
Oo, bulong-bulungan talaga to. Pero it's all over the news. Pero, alam nyo,
Subalit
subalit datapwat. Iba pa rin kapag narinig nyo ang official announcement
May ganyan?
from the couple themselves. Ito talaga, naluha-luha ako dito nang malaman ko.
Matagal na nating alam to?
Yes!
Okay.
Dito lang yan, mangyayari sa Party Pilipinas.
Pero bago yan, let's first feel the spirit of true love from the songbird, Regine Velasquez Alcacid. Ang haba!
Darling, I want you to listen. I stayed up all night so I could get this thing right. And I don't think there's anything missing. 'Cause a person like you made it easy to do. I've waited for so long to sing to you this song. Your eyes are windows to heaven. Your smile could heal a million souls. Oh, your love completes my existence.
nang mas sasaya pa sa araw na alam mong mas magiging makulay na ang iyong bawat umaga. Sa araw na alam mong mag-iiba na ang lahat at sa araw na alam mong dumating na ang taong kukumpleto sa buhay mo. Ladies and gentlemen, here to sing Beautiful Days, Kyla.
I see beautiful days with you. I feel beautiful ways of loving you. You've touched my heart so deeply, and I can't thank God enough for all the beautiful days with you. I feel beautiful ways of loving you. Everything is just so wonderful. Every little thing is just so beautiful. Wanna spend it with you. You came along in an unexpected time. It was so divine knowing you. It feels so right when I look into your eyes. I never knew that love could make me feel this way. I can't wait for the day when I can truly say I see beautiful days with you. I feel beautiful ways of loving. You've touched my heart so deeply, and I can't thank God for all the beautiful days with you. I feel beautiful ways of loving you. Every day is just so wonderful. Sorry, nasa sintonado naman ako. Every day is just so beautiful. Wanna spend it with you.
Kinilig ako mag-isa. Ewan ko ba?
Kamusta naman niyo ako yung umiiyak?
Ay, tumalon.
Ano ba?
Ano ba? Grabe naman to. Bakit ba ako nalulu?
Ano ba? Direct, paki-zoom in naman yun, no?
Pakita nyo naman yung engagement ring.
Yay!
Kayla, natutuwa ako at sinagot mong aking anak.
Thank you, ate.
Yan.
Thank you so much.
Gusto kong, Rich. Hey!
Teka muna, sandali, baka hindi alam ng tao kung bakit tayo nag-iiyakan.
Oo nga.
Ano ba ang naganap?
Ano bang naganap?
Kayla, paki-explain mo nga. Si
You
Kayla
wanna
muna.
explain it?
Oh, yeah. Okay, go.
Kasi alam nyo, 2 weeks ago,
Yeah, no.
we got engaged.
Ah! Oh, ikwento. Ikwento mo sa amin, dali.
Ikaw na
Kakakilig.
mag-explain, sweetheart.
Ay, mahihayin to si Rich, pero
He lost his voice.
he lost his voice because he had a concert last
iyak
night.
kami ng iyak.
Hindi kasi bumili siya ng ring.
Oo. O, ikwento mo, minute per minute, anong naganap?
Ay, kasi, ate, grabe, nakakaiyak ka. Alam ko na yung feeling mo.
Oo. Buti ka nakakanta pa ko ako.
Ano ba? Hindi kasi nag-dinner lang kami. Sinurprise niya ako. Akala ko kaming dalawa lang magde-dinner, ganon. Tapos, yung pala, alam na ng parents ko na nung gabi na yun, magpo-propose na siya. In-invite niya yung parents namin dalawa. Tapos bigla siya nag-propose. Yee!
Thank you for proposing.
Ay, nung nag-propose siya, anong una mong sinagot?
Hindi nga ako nakasalita kasi iyak na lang ako na iyak.
She didn't say anything?
I didn't say anything. I forgot to say yes. Basta
O, ngayon yes ka.
Yes.
Can you just say, can you say it again, tas luhod ka? Oh, kneel down, kneel down.
You-
Oh, you have to kneel down, come on. And then you have to ask her. So she can say yes.
When you kneel down, you'll be as tall as me.
Okay, go. Okay, game.
Ayan.
Oh, sweetheart.
Kyla, Nani, will you marry me?
Of course, my gosh.
Kyla,
Yes, of course.
Kyla, pakita mo lang yung sing-sing mo. Ay,
We're
Yung
very
sing-
happy.
ayan,
We're very
ayan.
happy for both of you.
Ayan, oh. Oo.
Congratulations.
Kita mo nga naman yan.
Ano ba
Thank
sinasabi
you.
pag
Thank you
newly
so much.
engaged? Congratulations o best wishes? Ano ba?
Pareho.
Ang sasabihin mo, it's a wonderful
Happy
feeling.
engagement.
Congratulations.
Thank you so much, guys, for this surprise. Hindi ko naman napigilan maiyak. Sabi ko, ay, ewan, basta. Nakita kita eh. Ewan.
Rich,
Thank you,
Rich,
for being
before you
here.
kiss your bride-to-be, just a few words. Just what you really want to tell Kyla, right? Just a few words.
Please excuse my voice. I can barely speak. I'm sorry you waited so long. You know, it's always been you. You know, I've just been waiting for the right timing and the right everything. So, and you know, I'm really blessed, and I'm so happy that you said yes to me. I love you.
I love you too so much.
Ang sabi niya, gusto mo i-interpret ko yung sinabi niya? I-translate.
Dito ka lang.
Nakakatuwa.
Sorry, speechless ako. Hindi ko rin alam kung ano bang dapat kong sabihin. Basta alam ko, naramdaman ko, sobrang saya lang talaga.
Oh, ganyan talaga yan. Ganyan kami mga matatangkad. Ganyan kami
Oo,
magmahal.
parang kayo kami lang. Except ako yung mataas.
Congratulations to the both of you. And kung kailangan nyo ng tulong sa pag-prepare ng wedding, tawagan nyo lang kami. Alright, mga kaibigan, congratulations! Mga puso, magbabalik po ang Party Pilipinas.
Happy birthday sa friend namin, Ali Peak.
Ali Peak, happy birthday,
Thank you,
buddy.
Party Pilipinas.
Congrats to Tuck.
Kiss naman dyan, oh. Yung bonggang-bonggang kiss, oh. Hindi kayo! Ano ba? Kayo! Oh, tatakpan ko kayo.
More Shy Power Drink, Mali Juice, Cosmos